Welcome to our calisthenics guide designed specifically for men over 40. We're focusing on bodyweight training to build strength and mobility. Calisthenics uses smart, joint-friendly movements to help you build strength, fight muscle loss, improve mobility, and boost your metabolism safely. Before we jump into the exercises, let's cover a few core principles essential for training effectively and safely in your 40s and beyond. The most important rule: listen to your body. Avoid ego lifting, progress slowly, and remember that adequate rest is absolutely crucial to prevent injury and aid recovery. Prioritize consistency over crushing intensity. Shorter, frequent sessions are better. Also, incorporate dedicated mobility work like yoga to keep those joints healthy. Let's start with foundational pushing exercises, movements that strengthen your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Beginners should start with incline push-ups or knee push-ups. This modification reduces the load on your joints and helps you build proper form and strength safely. When you're ready, move to regular push-ups. You can also incorporate dips or bench dips for deeper tricep and chest work. Next up are pulling exercises, vital for balancing the body and strengthening your back and biceps. The best starting point for back strength is inverted rows. You can use a sturdy table, a low bar, or suspension straps. They are joint-friendly and highly effective. When you're stronger, progress to chin-ups, which target the biceps more, and eventually full pull-ups, which are fantastic for overall back development. Don't forget your legs. Strengthening your lower body is key for metabolism and overall functional fitness. Master bodyweight squats first, keeping good flow. Then, introduce lunges, either walking or Bulgarian split squats, which are excellent for improving balance. For your core, planks are essential for stability. Start with 30 to 60-second holds. You can also incorporate leg raises or simple punches. Here is a sample routine you can follow 2 to 3 times per week to get started. Always start with a dynamic warm-up. Perform a few minutes of light cardio like jumping jacks, followed by arm circles and leg swings to get the blood pumping. For your work, aim for 2 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. For planks, hold for 30 to 60 seconds and keep rest time short. End every session with a cool down, incorporating stretching or yoga to increase flexibility and aid muscle recovery. Once you can easily complete your current routine, it's time to apply progressive overload to keep getting stronger. You can increase the difficulty by increasing reps and sets, decreasing the rest time between sets, or adding light resistance like kettlebells. The most effective progression is moving to harder exercise variations. For example, transition from incline push-ups to regular push-ups, and eventually decline push-ups for more challenge. Don't compare yourself to younger trainees. Focus on building a strong, mobile, and resilient body that supports you for years to come through consistent and smart training. If you want realistic fitness advice for men over 40, subscribe to the channel. Martin Kwong Man Over 40 Staying Fit for future videos. Let's build strength, one day at a time.